welcome back to my second unboxing video. So today I'm going to do again a beautiful unboxing, so enjoy it. Today I bought my favorite Airdopes called Boat Airdopes 141. It cost 1400 rupees and it is very bold and it's only bold black, so it's look very classy. Let's open it. So this type of interface I'm having, this is my Airdopes and it looks so cozy. Lights on, lights off, and I'm getting many things like warranty card and many more, and a catalog also. So in this box I think there will be charger wire and all. Let's open it. Let me check. Yes guys, here it is, the ear rest and the charging wire. Here it is. So it looks very cozy. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.